If you don't know, you don't know. I love fucking corn dog. Why do I look like that? This is so good. This is from Two Hands. I already ate the first bite. Oh, the bite was too good. Like, I had to film it. Let me get this bite. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. 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 Oh, bitch. Mm-mm. I can't use it today. Mm-mm. Mm. The things I would do to this corn dog. Mmm. It's so good. I got the half and half mozzarella and a corn dog. And I got the Two Hands, just the regular one with the ranch and sauce, and I don't even know what's on here, but it's good. Like, I could fuck up a corn dog, yeah. Yeah. Now it's on to the corn dog side. Try not to moan challenge. Oh yeah. Literally so good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. I literally haven't had Two Hands in so long. And we were just at this plaza. And I saw they had one here. So, I had to get her. Anyways. Happy Valentine's Day.